Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. Third generation, guys, from 2002 all the way to 2010. What we'll show you guys, if your central locking system does not work on the left doors, front left and rear left door, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you which fuse you need to check for that. Of course, you might have another problem as well, but the most common one is a bad fuse. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, guys. Our goal to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So let's go ahead, start on it. In the meantime, you can find more information on our main channels as well, more mechanical videos. Check those out. So what you need to do now, guys, open the door. Okay, we're going to come like right here now, and your fuse box is located, okay, right there on the side. So we need to open that cover. Okay, this cover, guys, now, okay, has 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. Those are the fuse numbers, and if you want to hold it and read it, okay, you need to hold it like that. Now we need to find, okay, in our case, guys, will be fuse number 11, I believe. Okay, let me double check. 11, yes. So if we go from here, okay, start on this side counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's this 15 amp fuse over there. So we're going to replace it now, okay, with a new one. You can find all the parts to use and a really good deal on fuses that we get, guys, in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now, if we go ahead, okay, and close the door, let's see if it will be working now. Okay, let's unlock twice. We need to unlock twice. Okay, it works, as you can see. So, thank you guys for watching.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.